Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. So we have a minus b e to the power of s. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2u du. This one that is about the constants. So you got number 0. This one we keep the same. So we have negative b e to the power of s ds. Next, because we don't have negative b next to this one, so we need to divide both sides by negative b. So this one we change by u. E to the power of s ds we change by this one. So number 2 over negative b I will put outside. U and u we have u square. The integration of u square we have u to the power of 3 over 3, and I will put about c. About u that is about this one.